Hi friends! Today we are going to draw my favorite flower, a sunflower. So what we'll do, we'll start with a circle right in the middle of your page. You can make it as big or as small as you'd like. So we have our circle. Now all we have to do is add our petals. Sunflowers have beautiful petals. They go all the way around the center of the flower. So what we're going to do, we'll start right here at the top. You'll take a line down, take another one down like so. And to make it easy, you just come right across from it and you do the same thing at the bottom. And then you can either turn your page like I'm doing, turn your paper, and you can start from the bottom like I did here. You'll take, it's like a curved line, and both of the curved lines meet and create a point. And then I'm just doing it again across from it at the top. And then what you do, these spaces that you see, that there are 4 spaces, we're going to put 4 more petals in those spaces. So 1 here. So there's different ways you can draw your petals. You can do it like this. You can start at a point and bring the lines down like I did earlier, or you can start from each side of each petal and bring it down to form a point. And again, we just fill in those spaces with more petals. And then what we'll do, we'll add more petals around the ones we just drew in the additional spaces that we have, like so. And sunflowers have so many beautiful petals. We just want to make sure we add more petals in those spaces. We're going to start the stem right about here, and we're going to bring that line down. You can bring it down to however far down you want. I'm just going to stop right about here. I'm going to bring another one to match it right on down to create the stem. And next you can add leaves. You can add as little as you want, or you can add as many as you like. Here are a few different ones to give you some ideas. You can bring one out like so, and we'll almost basically let's make a heart-shaped leaf. And we'll draw a line down the middle and draw the other side. Creates a little heart leaf. And you can get creative with your leaves. You can even draw one like this, a straight line. And we'll add a tiny leaf to that line. We'll add 2 little leaves across from each other. And we'll bring that line up some more and draw a few more, like so. And if you want to just do a basic leaf, you would start that. Put one right about here. You'll bring that out, a line out, and then you'll bring it back in. And that creates a leaf, a simple, easy leaf. You take that line on out to a point, and then you bring it back in to the stem. And there we have it. We have your sunflower and some leaves that you can add to your sunflower. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on how to draw a sunflower. Give this video a like for me, share with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And until next time, friends.